Who doesn't love a really nice and simple dessert, and one that you can also put in the microwave? This recipe works excellent for apples, and in this week's Good Food Box we have red pears. We are going to start with 2 pears that have been cored enough to be able to keep the skin intact. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of butter at room temperature. We want to mix this all together well, either with our hands or with a chopper. A great option is also to add a half to 3/4 of a cup of ground nuts. For today's episode, we have used pecans. We also want to thank our sponsor, H&W, for giving us the produce for our filming. And we just hope that you love our recipes. And if you do so, please press like and subscribe below.